Aren't you tired of your foggy visor turning your epic moves into an unplanned farce?
He knows we can't hear him, right?
It's hard to lead the pack if you didn't bring your own voice amp. So fix it like I do with a built-in amp and dual fan system.
This is the way.
This is Moff Gideon helmet, very similar to Mandalorian helmet. You can also do this in a lot of different helmets. Fan system, amp system. Fan is currently on low. Here it's on high. Speed adjusted, got an on-off switch. And then if you have your preferred position, you can keep it there. You turn it back on, just press the reset, back in business, right where you left off. Adjustable volume toggle on your amp. It's got an auxiliary in if you want to play audio from somewhere else. Mic goes right up here. Works fine just next to this vented exciter. As long as you don't crank it up too much, it still gets plenty of audio. What I've done is I've hidden the battery, and then the battery for this bad boy is Velcroed to the side. So this is a 2500 milliamp hour battery. And if you're blasting through the day because you're on the deserts of Tatooine, then you can easily swap this bad boy out. Also, if you wanted, you can put another battery here as a backup to tether in here. You can swap out your batteries accordingly. So these are 30 millimeter fans by 10 millimeters, and they're small enough to be off your face. Anything bigger will be pushing up your face right around here. I've got them mounted on Velcro, so I can adjust them accordingly. Find a good position is send the air up across where it collides in the middle, keeps your lenses clear, and then blows your excess air up and over your head to try and ventilate any of the heat out of the helmet. And here it is at full blast. The benefit of having dual fans is that not only do you have double the air and double the ventilation, but it also keeps the noise down. Because 2 fans running at low noise is better than 1 fan running at high noise. You get onboard charging built in, just like you buy it from the store. You don't have to have special adapters to charge the battery. Just use a regular USB-C cable. Feel that air coming up. If you want ventilation and/or an amp system in your helmet,
This is the way.